Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp logging not available right now error. To do this, first close WhatsApp app and check your internet connection. Try switching your internet connection between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And next, turn off any VPN if it's connected. After doing that, go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now find WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Scroll down and tap on storage. And tap on clear cache and clear app data. And go back, scroll up and tap on permissions. And make sure all permission is allowed. After that, open Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp and update your WhatsApp if it's available. Now restart your phone and trying in login WhatsApp again. Make sure you have typed the correct country code and the phone number during verification. And then tap on next. By doing this easy process, you can successfully solve your problem. But if you are still facing this problem after trying all these methods, contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. Thanks for watching.